Hello folks, here's a quick guide of how you can convert videos to different formats without downloading or installing any app by just directly going to lightxeditor.com. So without any delay, let's get started. Are you facing trouble uploading your video to any software? Does it always show incorrect format as soon as you upload your file? Well, that is a very common issue we all face in this tech era. All formats of video are supported on every browser or software. Or even if you have access to any video conversion tool, the process is so cumbersome and complex that we don't even know where to start. Worry not, LightX has got your back with a super easy video conversion tool that works with a simple click. Stick with me to know how you can easily and quickly convert your videos in a jiffy. Alright, so here we are on my LightX homepage. First things first, let's go to the editor tools and click on the convert video option, or you can also click on see all under video editing tools. As you can see, there are a bunch of video editing tools. Feel free to give those a try, but for now, in this tutorial, we're going to focus on how to convert video. Select this tool and you will find yourself redirected to a page. You can easily find the link to this tool in the description box below. Here you can see the option of uploading a video where you can easily insert the video from your device, or you can simply select drag and drop. You can upload up to 100 MB of files in any of these formats. Let's upload a video from our device. Here is my video and I'm selecting this. You can upload your video in any format. As you can see, our video has been uploaded. Now back to our video. On the left side of the screen, you can see the video is in MP4 format and you can select any format of the video you want to convert in. LightX provides so many options of formats generally suitable for videos. These formats are usually supported on all software and websites, and you can take full advantage of this for absolutely zero penny. I want to convert my video to, let's say, MPEG format. Click convert now and done. Isn't that too quick? The video has been converted to MPEG format. Now you can easily download the video and it will be saved to your device. And that's how you can convert any video to the desired format. If you have any questions, let us know in the comment section below. If you want to see more videos like these, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. See you at the next one. Thanks for watching.